In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail two-factor authentication. First, we need to ensure that your internet connection is stable. Begin by checking if you are connected to Wi-Fi or using mobile data. Look at the Wi-Fi icon at the top of your device screen. If it shows that you are not connected, tap on it to connect to a reliable network. Alternatively, you can switch to mobile data if Wi-Fi is unavailable. A strong, stable internet connection is crucial for the two-factor authentication process to work smoothly. Once you have confirmed your connection, try signing into your Gmail account again. This step is essential because a poor connection can prevent you from receiving authentication codes. Next, we will check the phone number linked to your Google account. Open your Google account settings by going to your device's browser or the Google app. Navigate to the security section. Here you will find the option to view your recovery phone number. Make sure that the number listed is correct and that you have access to it. This step matters greatly because if your recovery number is incorrect, you won't receive the verification codes needed for two-factor authentication. If you need to make changes, do so carefully. After updating, ensure you save your changes. You should see a confirmation that your details have been updated. Now, let's move on to the Authenticator app. Open the Authenticator app installed on your phone. Take a moment to ensure that the correct Google account is selected. You should see a list of accounts, and it is important to choose the one linked to your Gmail. This is a straightforward process, but it is vital to ensure that you are working with the right account. If the codes generated by the app are incorrect, you might need to sync your phone's time settings. This can often resolve discrepancies between the app and your account. To sync your phone's time, go to your device's settings. Look for the date and time settings in the menu. Enable the option for automatic date and time or use network-provided time. By syncing your time settings, you ensure that your device and the Authenticator app operate on the same time frame. This synchronization is important because two-factor authentication codes are time-sensitive. If your phone's clock is off, you may regularly encounter issues when entering those codes. Once you have made these adjustments, return to the Authenticator app. Make sure that it displays the correct codes now. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to enter the code into your Gmail login and proceed without any issues. This little step saves you a lot of time later and helps you avoid further frustration. In conclusion, if you follow these steps, you should be able to fix any issues related to Gmail's two-factor authentication. Start by checking your internet connection, then verify the accuracy of your recovery phone number. Finally, ensure that your Authenticator app is synced and correctly set up. If you encounter any challenges during this process, do not hesitate to revisit each step. Remember, you are not alone in this, and with patience, you can resolve these authentication issues effectively. Thank you for watching, and good luck!